summer, while camping in the National Forest just outside the Grand Tetons, we decided that we had a hankering for some pizza. Since it was about 90 degrees, we decided that we would be best served to cook our food outside in the Dutch oven. We started out by putting about 5 strips of bacon into the Dutch oven to give it a really good seasoning. Once the bacon is done, remove it from the oven and then let it cool until you can crumble it. We purchased a tube of pizza dough in town, and all you had to do was pop it out of the tube, unroll it, and press it gently and carefully into the bottom of the oven. Don't forget that the oven is still pretty hot. Place the dough back on the coals for about 5 minutes, not too much longer, enough to puff the dough up and get it ready for the toppings. Once the dough is ready, remove the lid and start adding your toppings. We chose pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and the crumbled bacon that we seasoned the oven with in the first place. Since those hot coals are about 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you don't really want to touch the edges of the pot, so do proceed with caution. Remember, you can never have enough cheese on a pizza. After you're happy with your topping arrangement, put the oven back on the coals for about 10 more minutes, but do keep an eye on it so you don't burn the bottom of the crust. We removed the pizza from the Dutch oven with a metal spatula. Just look at all that cheesy bacon goodness. Our good buddy Dan the Man and his dog Cabbage were our first taste testers, although I don't think Cabbage got any.
No.
This pizza even passed the 10-year-old test. Kids love it. That's a thumbs up for that deliciousness. Round off that cheesy meal with a fresh fruit salad, and you're good to go. Be sure to watch out for our next episode, as we'll be showing you how to make baked ravioli. Thanks for watching, and remember, as always, to get up, get out, and go have an adventure.